What do you want to generate? Forest, rainforest, night fantasy rainforest, dragon in night fantasy rainforest. Everything you can imagine in one place. Phygital Plus, the AI workspace that revolutionizes visual content creation. You can generate, train, transform, and enhance. With our unique node-based interface and infinite canvas, Phygital Plus gives you the superpower to explore endless creativity. Test combinations of textures, models, and tools, and instantly see the results of your masterpiece. Modify any step of your creation process and see the updated results immediately. By connecting various AI tools, Phygital Plus enables you to achieve results and functionalities that no other platform can provide. From stable diffusion to image enhancement, we've got you covered. Train your own AI models to create infinite variations of your work in seconds. There's no project too big or too small for Phygital Plus. Deliver your work to your clients virtually and in real time. No more weeks of waiting and back and forth. Get started immediately with templates and frameworks tailored to your needs. You can build your own AI application based on our neural network bundle. Phygital Plus houses a comprehensive AI tools library, frequently updated to keep you on top. Unleash the potential of AI with your team and use Phygital Plus for brainstorming ideas. Get an innovative tool for creativity without the fear of a clean slate with Phygital Plus.
Hey team, there is a video about Phygital Plus. I want to show you how it works and highlight our main features. So the first thing is that we have more than 20 AI models included, so they can be found here on the left tab. So starting from image creation to image enhancing, upscaling, removing background, creating video, etc. Many helpful AI tools here, and also we have lots of templates. Yeah, so if you want to create logos, if you want to create letter design, actually lots of things we try to combined here. Yeah, so for different use cases here, like face swapping, creating banners, creating videos, etc. So this is all like very useful. I want to show you how it works. Yeah, so first of all, we have lots of AI models and they all have like differences. So I want to show you here how it works. So for example, here we work with Gemini. Yeah, so we produce our product banners. And also we can do it for other AIs like GPT, like Flux. So there is like the same prompt here. Yeah, you can see it here. I can generate it here. Also, I can, for example, adjust the size. So for example, I want to make this one. And yeah, I can generate it too. So it will take some time to generate the images. Yes. And we can compare all the differences and, for example, select which one works better for this particular use case. So yeah, we see the first result here for GPT image. Yeah, we can compare how it works, for example, with Gemini. Yeah, the same thing here, and we have the same for Flux. We have another two images ready and another one left. So we see that the size is different because we adjusted it here. We can compare what we want to use for this goal. Also, we can regenerate if we don't like the result. Yeah, so we can do it for any AI tool that we have. So yeah, that's how it works here for different AIs. Also, we have like lots of templates how to use, for example, multiple images, like how to combine them on one image. Yeah, so you can take an image of a girl, of an animal, and combine them here on one image. Yeah. Apart from that, lots of things, lots of use cases, like remove the object from the image, change the hair color. Yep. Lots of things can be done based on our templates, or if you just use prompts, or even like combining the different AI models. So here, for example, we also work with video. So yeah, on this example, we make a video from two images, like when one image turns into another one. yeah, which can be used, for example, like in product banners or on social media. Also, we have a very powerful saving your style. So you can upload your image, and based on it, we can learn the AI model, so it will create the results in your brand style. So here, as you can see, we uploaded a source image, and we want to produce the icons. And we use also like different AI models here. We can compare like what GPT, Gemini, Flux, how they work with the reference. Yeah, and we can create different icons here. Yeah, it can be useful, for example, for your UI or UX for your website or app, if you do this. Yeah, but also like we work with the video, so we have multiple AI tools for video creation. So here is an example of an image of a girl, and we can also animate it, make a video from it. Yeah. We can also share the project. Yep. So it can be shared with the team. So yeah, I can send a link to it and work together as a team on one canvas here. So yep.